The Solidworks CAD software is a mechanical design automation application that lets designers quickly sketch out ideas, experiment with features and dimensions, and produces models and detailed drawings. This course gives you the complete information on the concepts and terminology used throughout the SolidWorks application. It also familiarizes you with the commonly used functions of SolidWorks. The topics discussed in this course are Fundamentals, which introduces design concepts, SolidWorks terminology, and provides an overview of help options. The next topic is Parts. In this lesson, it demonstrates design methods, tools, and features commonly used to make parts. In the third chapter, Assemblies, it shows how to add parts to an assembly and also to specify mates and use in context design methods. In chapter 4, Drawings, it discusses drawing sheet formats, views, dimensions, annotations, and bill of materials. In chapter 5, Engineering Tasks, it examines how to add applications, utilities, and other resources to complete advanced tasks. After completing all the 5 chapters, a step-by-step lesson provides a guided instruction to perform basic tasks.